Hello everyone, welcome to How to Videos. In this video, we will see how can we use Image Resizer tool of PowerToys in order to resize images using certain presets. So let's dive into the demonstration. To resize images using Image Resizer tool of PowerToys, go to Image Resizer under File Management in the sidebar. Then for Enable Image Resizer, switch on this button. Using this tool, you can add presets or work with existing presets. You can even modify or delete the pre-existing sets. Let's see how can we use this preset named phone. To use this preset, let me select two images here. Now just do a right click on the images you have selected and then you get this option which is resize with image resizer. Now here you can just select the size you want or you can provide a custom size. I want to use this one so I will click on this. Now I have set this and you can provide any of these conditions or all of these conditions according to your requirements. For now, I will not tick any of them and hit resize. It did all the resize for me and these are the images I have got. Similarly, you can also create multiple presets using this button. So just click add new size and a new size has been added. Now you can click on this edit button here and fill this form. For now, I will give this as demo. For the width and height options, I will keep it as such, and for the fit, there are stretch, fit or fill. I would go with the fit one. Now you can also select the units you need from this set of options. Once you are done with this, click anywhere outside that box. The details has been saved and you can use this in the file explorer now. Let's see, I want to resize these images, this and this. I can just do a right click, go to resize with image resizer, and then I have this option here. Once again, if I hit this button and the resized versions have been generated. Hope you find this video helpful. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.